Let S be the oriented surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 with the unit normal n cap pointing outward. For the vector field f of xyz is equal to xi hat plus yj hat plus z k hat, then the value of double integral or surface integral of this is surface integral, or normally known as flux. F, normally I am writing either f or f vector, then you can understand this is a vector quantity. So ds is equal to volume integral v, and the divergence of f means this is the divergence theorem. Divergence theorem that says that flux of a vector field through a surface is equal to volume integral of the divergence of f under the surface. So this is the formula we normally use to find surface flux or surface integral using volume integral, where r is the region inside of S, or here V is used. So this is region inside the surface S, inside the surface S. So this one equal to, so find divergence of f as f is given xi hat plus yj hat plus zk hat. So divergence of f means del upon del xi hat plus a partial derivative with respect to y j hat plus del upon del z k hat, and dot product with f is xi hat plus y j hat plus z k hat, and this is equal to 3. So volume integral means we have to use this one as divergence f. In place of divergence f we use 3 and dv. So you can take 3 outside because of 3 is constant value, and this is denoting volume of sphere. So what is the volume of sphere when radius is given? So 3 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and value of r is 1, so 1 cube, and 3 is cancelled out by 3, so 4 pi. This is your answer to this problem. So always remember one point, uh, what is divergence theorem, which relate flux of the vector field through a closed surface to the divergence of the field, or in another format you can say surface integral of the vector field over a closed surface, which is called the flux through the surface, is equal to the volume integral of the divergence over the region inside the surface. So if you know this divergence theorem, then you can easily solve this problem.